What's going on? I'm meteorologist Joe Hansel with a look at your severe weather threats here at Predictix, and thanks a lot for tuning in. So never want to underestimate heat, as it is the #1 weather killer across the globe. Phoenix at 106, so please take breaks from the heat. Another day in the triple digits. Obviously, Florence is one of the big concerns across the nation, but it continues to weaken, at least in terms of winds. It's a tropical depression as of 5 a.m. Eastern time in south central South Carolina. Forecasted to work north into early Monday morning for areas like eastern Kentucky, and then kick out into New England, bringing heavy rain out in the northeast early this week. So flash flood watches in the dark green, flash flood warnings in the red in areas of the Carolinas and southern Virginia. Some areas of North Carolina could see a foot or more of rain additionally today. Flash flood watches in effect for south central Texas, near places like San Antonio. Gulf of Mexico moisture coming in. Red flag warnings, areas of the Intermountain West. So yeah, dry breezy weather out there, influencing wildfire issues. In terms of severe weather, marginal to slight risk from southern areas of Virginia to the Carolinas. A lot of wind energy still with that rotating pinwheeling system, so damaging winds, isolated tornado can't be ruled out. And tomorrow, from about Minneapolis, Minnesota to the Iowa, Nebraska, South Dakota kind of corner state line there. Marginal risk of severe weather back to work into Monday. So a cool trough of low pressure crashing into areas like Seattle. That'll influence some rain out there today. It's always raining in Seattle, right? But it's influencing a ridge of high pressure over the rest of the nation. So that'll influence more heat building in next week. It's still summer after all. But it's also helping guide Florence to work northward. So areas of the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys, some heavy rain, and that'll continue to work northeast into cities like D.C. and some soaking rain early next week on Tuesday for cities like New York City. And there's a look at your forecast across the nation for your Monday. Phoenix, back to the heat, 107. Back to a sweaty workday Monday.